In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a secret hack that you can use to auto-update your drop-down options within your pre-built tables here in Google Sheets. So when you're working with drop-downs within your columns, and you want to know how to auto-update your drop-down lists or your options, here's a secret hack that you can definitely do. So before we proceed to that, if you need some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Also, if you want to learn more about our pre-built tables, which is actually a new update here in Google Sheets, I have a bunch of videos that you can watch. I'll be leaving the playlist with a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So going back to our drop-down options right here. In this example, I have some products and the product types. So for my product type column, these are drop-downs. And for each drop-down, you have these options. So what I want to do here is to update this. And usually what you would do would be to go to the edit button right here. There you have it. And your data validation rules will open on the right side. So if you want to update your options right now with our criteria, which is drop-down, you'll have to manually add them right here. So add another item. Let's say we have furniture. There you go. Add another one, stationery. There you have it. And when you're done, just click on done on the bottom right. Now, if we go back to our drop-down, you'll see that those two options have been added to your list. Now, what if you have a lot of items that you want to add? Another option that you would do would be to go back to your edit button right here. And instead of the criteria of drop-down, what we're going to do is to select drop-down from a range. Click on that and click on this part right here to select that data range. Now my data is actually on the second sheet right here. Here we have it. So I have furniture. So we already have the office supplies until the tools. And I've added those two new ones right here. But if I want to add this entire list, I'm just going to select that. There you go. Click on OK. And those have been automatically added to your options. Click on Done. And there you have it. Click on the drop-down and you will see more options on your drop-down list. But what if I try and add another one on my list? So if I go to sheet number 2 right here and add, let's say, lighting. There we go. Press on enter, go back to my drop-down list right here, and you'll see that it has not been added to my options. So to automatically update that, when I do add more options or more items on my product type list right here, what I'm going to do is to convert this data right here, my list, into a table. So select that range, right-click on it, and select Convert to Table. There you have it. Now I converted that data into a table. Now if I go back to my drop-down list, go to one of those drop-downs and select again the edit button right here. Here in our drop-down from a range, we're going to select the range again. So click on that box right there, go to your other sheet where your new table is, and select the same range. There you go. Click on OK. And there we have it. Here you will see that the reference for this one would be table 1 in the column of product type. And we will see our lighting already added. Click on Done. If we go back to our drop-down list, our lighting has now been included. Now, if I try and add, let's say, a new product type after lighting right here, I'm going to press enter. There you go. And put in my new product type. Type in networking devices. And maybe another one, clothing and uniforms. There you go. So as soon as I've pressed enter, those two have been added to my table. Now, if we check on our drop-down list right here, let's see if we've added them successfully. And there we have it. Networking devices, clothing, and uniforms. So anything that we add to our table on the next sheet right here will automatically update our drop-down list on our original table. So that's the secret to auto-update your drop-down options with this trick right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one.